We've come to realize that time and date is incorrect on all our telephones. That's not a problem. We just need to change the time and date from one telephone, and that'll change the rest. In order to get into the programming mode, you press prog *#1234. That's the standard programming code to get into all Panasonic telephone systems. Next, you press 000 or push the navigation wheel down once. Here we can see we're now in the date and time set mode. Press enter, and that will allow us to change the year, month, and day. The year happens to be 2018. Takes us to the month. It happens to be February. Press the select plus button to change it to February. Push the navigation wheel once to the right. That'll take us to the day. The day happens to be the 8th. And now we push the enter button in the middle of the navigation wheel in order to set it. Next, we want to change the hour and the minutes. We'll see that the hour is 07, but it happens to be 12. Takes us to minutes, what happens to be 09. And it's actually PM. We'll push the select plus button. Takes us to PM, and once again, you push enter to set it, and we're done. Lift up the handset, hang up, and now all the phone sets have been changed to the proper time and date.